Certain destinations on Earth can only be described as heavens, and Lauterbrunnen Switzerland certainly falls into that category. I don't know whether we see the heaven or not, but in this episode of our Switzerland series, we will show you this beautiful heaven-like valley village, Lauterbrunnen. So stay with us till the end and watch this beautiful heaven on earth. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then I would request you to please subscribe our channel. So let's start the video. So Lauterbrunnen is actually in Interlaken district. The whole Interlaken district is very beautiful. We'll show you some more valleys in the upcoming videos, but in this one let's just focus on the Lauterbrunnen. So the time we went to Lauterbrunnen, it was actually raining, but luckily when we reached there the rain just stopped, and the valleys became more beautiful after the rain, and that's what happened to us. It became super more beautiful after the rain. So we are in a village called Lauterbrunnen. I'll find the exact pronunciation and then add it in the editing time. But so if you come to Interlaken, then there's a road which will take you to the top, and then on this road there are a lot of beautiful villages. So people choose their own destination, but this village is very beautiful. It's a valley actually, covered by the mountains, and today the weather was so good, so we can see a lot of natural waterfalls here. So let me show you a bit of it, and then from there we'll try to go to Grindelwald. But this one is very beautiful and the weather makes it even more beautiful. Just a walk in this valley feels very nice. I mean, it got everything: clouds, the rain, the mountains, the trees, beautiful weather, waterfall. I mean, what else you need? So let's continue our walk. There is this beautiful cemetery and an angry lady with us. So this is very nice cemetery on the top of this village, and it's looked very stunning. I had a bit of drone shot of this one, and this looks absolutely nice. So let's go to the waterfall now. So we will show drone shots at the end. So let's just now look into this beautiful waterfall. Close to the waterfall. You can see that behind us. There's a way to go on the top, but trust me, I don't have enough energies because I have a whole day to cover. Anyhow, जाना ऊपर आप आगे. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then I would request you to please subscribe our channel. let's continue our walk around this beautiful valley. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then I would request you to please subscribe our channel. So at the end, I will again request all of you to please subscribe our channel. Do let us know in the comments what you really like and what can be improved. And also please share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in the next video.